The internet evolved from Web 1.0, which was from the early 90s up to 2004 and which was static in nature, moving to Web 2.0, which was from 2004 up till now, and which is dynamic and has made several billionaires, including Facebook's Zuckerberg, Amazon's Bezos, and Twitter's Dorsey. The era of Web 3.0 started and is under construction. Let me make it simple with some examples. Airbnb is a platform for hotels, but they do not own any hotels. Uber is a platform for taxis, but they do not own any taxis. So if you own the road or platform, you can charge for it. And if you invest in a piece of this future, it will be one of the most fruitful investments. One element of Web 3.0 that has already captured media and investor attention is the metaverse. And according to Goldman Sachs, in the most bearish case, the metaverse will be worth $2.6 trillion. And in the most bullish scenario, it will be worth $12.5 trillion. So what is Web 3.0, the metaverse, and why investing in companies that are building these platforms will make you a fortune in the future? We are talking about the Web 3.0, the metaverse, and investing in companies that give exposure to Web 3.0 and the metaverse today on the Financial Advisor Show. The global internet is in the middle to late run of the innovation curve of Web 2.0. The shift from desktop to mobile computing and from local to cloud storage. And the leaders of this wave of the internet are now firmly established. Web 2.0 that we have nowadays is highly centralized in the hands of big corporates, and you do not own what you post on social media platforms. In Web 2.0, users cannot control and monetize the content they create. Web 3.0 or Internet 3.0 represents the next iteration or phase of the evolution of the web or internet, focused on creating a decentralized web and include blockchain as well as non-fungible tokens or NFTs, decentralized finance or DeFi, and decentralized autonomous organizations. It is the evolution of how users are able to control and own their creations and online content, digital assets, and online identities, and can monetize them. In the early 90s, Neil Stephenson first coined the phrase metaverse in his science fiction novel Snow Crash. Decades later, industry investor or analyst Matthew Ball raised awareness around the phrase metaverse in a series of essays that was focused on the present or future of Epic Games, owner of Fortnite. Both of these thinkers have set a benchmark of themes which investors could envision key elements of the industry shifting from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0. The metaverse, which is a digital space, would blend virtual augmented physical reality with physically persistent virtual spaces. It is still under development, and potential areas of application are still under scrutiny. We'll use virtual reality or VR tech to enter the internet tomorrow, moving between virtual worlds in the form of digital avatars. Companies that will own and develop these platforms will make fortunes in the future. So instead of talking to your coworkers through a video conferencing service, such as Zoom, for example, you might wear a VR headset and engage with the avatars in virtual space. And rather than chat with your friends through WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, you might agree to meet up in a crowd of some virtual festival where you enjoy real-life musicians performing as digital avatars. However, if you missed the Web 2.0 takeoff, Web 3.0 could be a chance to make up for it. There are several publicly listed companies which can give you exposure to Web 3.0. To get exposure in this space, investors have to look for stocks that have blockchain technology, that engage in activities or provide products, services, technologies, or technological capabilities to enable the metaverse. With regards to the metaverse, ask yourself why tech companies like Facebook, Google, Microsoft are making acquisitions of other companies worth billions of dollars. and why others are also investing billions like Amazon, Nvidia, Roblox, Tencent, Fastly, and a lot more, and why Facebook changed their name to Meta. Well, this is why it makes sense to invest in such or similar companies. You can invest in such companies through exchange traded funds or ETFs or Metaverse ETFs instead of buying individual companies, reaping the benefits of diversification and low cost. Do your research. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to join the Financial Advisors Show community by following the below social media platforms.